Hello again, everyone. I'm going to show you another extension for Google that is called Kami, K-A-M-I. So you can see it up here, this little circle with a K here. This is the Kami extension. If you don't have that, you can Google Kami extension for Chrome, and you should be able to add that pretty easily. This is an extension that I have found very useful since we have been doing all of the remote learning because of the COVID-19 pandemic. And what I have used it for has been PDFs, worksheets that I have saved, but I can't print them out to give to students like I would if they were in the classroom. And so I need to find a way for them to do this work digitally. And so you can take any PDF worksheet. So let's just use this one here. And once you have Kami, it will show up as a connected app. So when you click on a PDF, you can say open with Kami. And so I'm going to open it with Kami, and now you should be able to annotate or edit this document. So I really like Kami because it has saved me a lot of trouble, because otherwise I would have to kind of retype these worksheets into a Google Doc so that they could answer them there, which can take some time if it's a really detailed PDF, and especially if it's got images or if it's document-based questions. I mean, it can get very tricky to try to recreate it in a Google Doc. And so this allows them to edit the PDF. And so let's just say the students type their answers. They can create a text box. There's all sorts of things that you can do here. But the basics, just being able to add a text box and answer questions, is what I have used it for. Answer. Okay, so let's just say they've gone through and they've answered everything. You can use the eraser. I figured I would show you that at least. You can go back and erase any answers that you maybe, wanted to redo. You can mark up the document. You can do a box highlighter. You can underline things. You can insert shapes. You can add a signature, an image, that kind of thing. But again, like I said, the most important thing for me was being able to have them add text to these PDF documents. And so let's say that they have answered all of the questions. And now what? What do you do now? How do you save it? How do you share it? Can you download it? Yes, yes, you can. So one, you can save it. Now, I will tell you that Kami has paid versions, okay? But the basic version is free. So there are things that you're probably limited to doing with the free version. There's probably some features that you can't access, but I will tell you that the free version has been sufficient for everything that I need it for. And so I want to just download it. So I'm going to download the PDF you can download it to your computer, to Google Drive, whatever you choose to do, with all annotations, and then you begin export. It's very, very simple. So there you go. Here's the PDF. I have exported it, and there you go. I can open up this document, and there's all the answers that I typed. You can even drag them around, apparently. So this is a really, really neat tool, because then the kids can type their answers on this digital worksheet and then submit the annotated version to the Dropbox, to Google Classroom, wherever it is that they need to turn in assignments. And so it's a very, very easy way to annotate PDFs or worksheets that you can't really convert well to a Google Doc or something like that. So this is something that I hope will help you, not just if you are doing remote learning, but something that you can use in your classroom as well if you're trying to kind of transform your classroom and make it more technology rich or digitize a lot of your assignments. This is a way that you can do that.